Hey friends, if you wish to pin any game or app to the taskbar using Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for Store in the Windows search bar and then go to Microsoft Store. Okay. Interestingly, most of these apps are Microsoft Store apps, but people don't download it from here. So click on Library on the left pane. I will expand it to show it this option at the absolute left bottom corner. Now, all these apps that you see in this list are present on the system, but these apps have been installed using Microsoft Store. So the ones which have this cloud-like icon may or may not be on the system, but the ones which show open are definitely on the system. All you need to do is click on the three dots associated with it and select pin to taskbar. Okay, and then it will ask, would you like to pin this to the taskbar? Click on yes. And now it has been pinned to the taskbar. I did it with iTunes. Okay, to remove this, right click on this and select unpin from the taskbar. So this is how we can do it through the Microsoft Store. Even in general, I could just search for the app or game, and then on the right pane, I can click on pin to taskbar. Okay, and again to remove it, unpin from the taskbar. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.